Well, hello friends and teachers. This is Sailab Swarnam. Some of you know me already, and for those of you who don't, I'm an electronics undergraduate in BITS Pilani campus, currently finishing my third year. I've also been a professional online educator for the last 2 years of my college life. I've exposed myself to all the different kinds of online content media that's available for quality teaching. Now, why I'm making this video is to explain what the education industry is going through right now. All of a sudden, the digital education market has hit the education industry. And teachers who were not very familiar with how to record a video, how to go live with students, are actually struggling with how to produce quality digital content. It is also taking up so much of their time, so much of their energy, so much of their effort that it's very important for all of us to come forward and help them. So what have I done? In the last few days, I've taken seminars for over 100 to 150 teachers, some of them being my old teachers, as to what should an online content have, what it should have, what it shouldn't have, what is the best, cheapest media, the cheapest equipments that is available for them to ease out their work, what are the best softwares which are available for them, which will help them save their time, and in general, what is the present, what is the future of online education, and what all as educators they need to know. So everything I covered in that seminar, but after covering the seminar, I realized the fact that the need is much more greater than what I can assume. So guess what? I've decided to come online for a webinar for most of you. I would take in 5 to 6 teachers in every webinar and teach them in just, let's say, 1 to 1.5 hours as to how to start from scratch and how to come up with a quality video, how to come up with quality live sessions with the least possible investment and with the least possible effort, right? So teachers need to save a lot of time as well. They're spending so much time to come up with their content that they need to know the best tools, the best tricks, the best softwares, the best methods to produce videos so that the time is shortened, right? So who is this webinar for? It can be for anybody. It can be for school teachers. It can be for university professors. It can be for somebody who's aspiring to be an online educator. I have decided to take in 6 teachers for every webinar. And why have I fixed a small number? That is because I want to focus on every teacher personally. I could have recorded a course and I could have put it online for people to see. But there are so many courses available online and you're still not able to find the right one for you to clear your doubts. This is because there is no course which can go online and clear everybody's doubts. There is no ideal course for everybody. Every teacher has a personalized doubt, a customized doubt. Some people have a doubt regarding what is the right music to put in, how to put the right music. Somebody has a doubt regarding how to export the video in the shortest amount of time. Somebody has doubts about software. Somebody has doubts about equipment. Somebody has doubts about what is going on in the education market right now. Somebody has doubts about what is the future. And then there are so many other types of issues which are needed to be taken care of. For instance, how to make sure that your content is copyright free. Right, all this. So that is the reason why, to bring in the personal touch from a professional who can explain you everything in the shortest amount of time. And I will take a very, very nominal fee for this because ideally the cause is so noble that I was actually doing it for free. But since now I have to scale it to a certain level, and as I told you, I'm not even a graduate yet, and this is the only thing that I make money from and I sustain myself right now. So that is why I will just take a very, very nominal fee. But I'm sure when you attend this 1 to 1.5 hours webinar, after this you will find all of it worth, and the knowledge, the insights that you will gain from that, you will not just use it in your present work, but also it will enable you to how to go about online education in the future. And let me tell you, as online educators, you shouldn't be lagging in learning all this, because this has newly come, and the faster you learn it by yourself, the better it will be for your self-sufficiency in the future. Right now, most of the teachers are taking their children's help, their relatives who are proficient with making PPTs, videos and stuff. They're taking their help to get their work done. In fact, most of them are getting it done through them. But you need to think, when these people get busy, or let's say if school comes up with something else and expects you to learn it again, how long will you keep taking their help? You need to start learning it on your own at any cost. So right now, even if you have to put in a little effort and a nominal time and money to learn all of this by yourself, it is still so worth. because tomorrow you will be completely self-sufficient to produce your own content, to take it online in the digital market at your own will, without depending on anybody else, which is very, very crucial. So who am I? Am I an organization which is trying to build a business empire around this? The answer is a big no. I'm just an individual who's been proficient at this, who's got the quality of an organization, who wants to come forward and help all my teachers at the most nominal rate possible, so that the expense that's required to continue all this is sustainable for both you and me. Last but not the least, we would like to start this social campaign wherein we would urge everybody who's around teachers right now to recognize the fact that they are really struggling with all this, and I know it's difficult for you to spend so much time teaching them, but either you can send them to this webinar or whatever you can do from your side to help them. I just insist all of you to do it because it's time we really stand up for our teachers, because it's an extremely great idea for education as a whole. So see you guys in the webinar. I hope most of you join it. Thank you. And of course, please do share this video with as many friends and as many of your old teachers as possible, so that apart from reaching to somebody in need of such a program, this video can also act as a source of motivation for the community as a whole to come forward and support the teachers in these difficult times. Thank you so much.